I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in today's video I'll show you how to use the voice recorder on this phone. Now it does come with the voice recorder pre-installed, and if you go into your app drawer, scroll through and find recorder, you should be able to see it here, or you can simply use the search function and then search for recorder, and it should appear there. So tap on that, and now as you can see, this is a recording that I had recorded earlier. And to record a video from this interface, all you have to do is simply tap on the recording button, and as you can see, it's going to start recording my voice. And once I want to pause, I'll simply tap on pause and then compose myself or do whatever it is I was doing, and then I can play that recording once again. And then once I'm done, I can tap on stop, or I can go on pressing this flag to mark points that are important in this particular recording. As you can see, it has live transcription, and it is going to be transcribing my voice as I am speaking. So once I'm done, simply tap on stop, and the recording is going to be saved into this particular interface. Now, once your recording is saved, you have a couple of options that you can utilize. So you can press and hold on that particular recording, and down here you should see the share option, the move option. You can share this to whatever platforms you want. You can move the recording to another location. You can rename your recording, set it as a ringtone, or simply delete it. Now, if you select more than one recording, you have the option to share, to move, or to delete those particular recordings just like that. Now, in this particular interface, you also have these three dots at the top right corner, and you have the option to edit, and this basically will allow you to select your recordings and do either of the following options that I just showed you down there. You can tap on settings to see the settings that you can change for your recordings. The first one is the audio settings, and the recording file format by default is MP3, but you can tap on that and select either AAC or WAV, which is lossless audio and offers larger files. So choose whatever option that suits your particular recording. You can choose the recording mode, and you can choose, it is set to standard by default, which records sound without much processing, and it's best for general use. That's why it's the default. You can choose the meeting option, which makes the voices sound louder, especially if you're recording from a distance, whether it's a meeting or a lecture. You can also select the interview mode, which removes the background noise, and it's best for recording voices near your device, such as when you're conducting an interview. You also have the AI recorder assistant that automatically transcribes while you're recording and generates an appropriate name for the recording, just as you've seen there as I was recording. You can choose to turn on this option or not. You also have the option to the language you want to transcribe into, and you can select whatever language that you want. Now, going back if I tap on my recording just like that, I have the option to play that recording, to also go through the recording as I play, to mark important parts in that recording. And I also have the option to skip 3 seconds or move forward 3 seconds. I also have the option to use AI clear voice, which isolates my voice in that particular recording, to use AI summary, or to summarize whatever contents are in that recording, or to transcribe. So if I tap on transcribe, for example, it's going to transcribe that particular audio, and as you can see, it's going to give me a quota for transcription, which is 100 out of 100 minutes, and simply wait for that transcription to be complete. And once it completes, I'm going to have a summary or a transcription of that particular recording, and I also have the summary just here. If I want to summarize, I can tap on generate to generate a summary, and I can now even select whatever it is that is on this summary and be able to copy it and then paste it to any transcription software or any place that I want to place that. Now, the last option while recording is basically this option right here that I skipped as I was showing you. Tap on the three dots, you should see receiver mode, and you can either choose to use receiver mode for your phone to be used as the receiver, or to choose speaker mode for your phone to be used as the speaker. Now, receiver mode for most phones is basically activated when you connect other peripheral devices like external microphones or audio devices to your phone. But for this particular phone, you need to select receiver mode to be able to use that particular receiver mode. But that's basically how to use the voice recorder on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.